Student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss very important question which is asked in board examination many times. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. Student, first of all, we draw the figure. Inscribe the circle means सर्कल के अंदर एक कोन है. Prove that the volume of largest cone. It means जितने भी कोन बने उस कोन का जो भी वॉल्यूम है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन is equal to 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. और उसका जो वॉल्यूम होगा वो क्या होगा? लार्जेस्ट मीन्स मैक्सिमम. मैक्सिमा हमको प्रूफ करना है. फर्स्टली वी ड्रा फिगर. कोन इज इंस्क्राइब द स्फीयर. दिस इज कोन ऑफ रेडियस स्मॉल आर एंड the radius of circle is fixed. This is what? Capital R. Capital R. This is the center of the circle nominated as O. This is A, B, C and E. अब कह रहा है कि इसके हमें वॉल्यूम को मैक्सिमाइज करना है और साथ ही साथ गिवन है. What is given? Radius of sphere capital R is fixed. Fixed means what? Constant. Capital behavior of capital R constant है और हमने क्या मान लिया? सपोज कर लिया. टू प्रूव हमको करना है. टू प्रूव वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इज इक्वल टू 8 by 27 इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर. ये बात हमको प्रूव करनी है. तो लेट अस कंसीडर solution. Let the radius of cone be small r and height be small h. It means volume of cone capital V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, which is the equation number first. Let's see the figure. Student, ये जब r है तो ये भी क्या होगा? सेंटर से जो भी डिस्टेंस होगी ये भी r होगी. और इस पूरे हमने हाइट को, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन की हाइट को हमने स्मॉल h सपोज कर लिया. तो ये स्टूडेंट पूरी एज है, ये आर है. तो ये जो पोजीशन होगी, ये वाली पोजीशन, ये क्या होगी? एच माइनस कैपिटल आर. और ये रेडियस आर है तो ये भी रेडियस कैपिटल आर होगी और ये स्मॉल आर होगी. ऑलरेडी यू नो दैट दिस एंगल इज व्हाट? 90 डिग्री. इन ट्रायंगल ODC angle ODC is equal to 90 degree according to Pythagoras theorem. What? H square is equal to p square plus b square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular plus base. It means what? Capital R square, H is what? This is hypotenuse, capital R square, and P is H minus R to the whole square, and base radius of the cone is what? Small r square. Apply A minus B to the whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB plus R square. Both R square are cancelled. What is remaining? H 2HR minus H square is equal to R square. This is the equation number 7. And then after, radius is small r, so putting the value of R square in equation first. H is variable here because capital R is fixed, radius of the sphere, so putting the value of small r square in equation first, putting the value of small r square in equation first, we get what we get? V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi, or R square means what? 2HR minus H square I into H. When we multiplied them, then what we get? Let's see. B is equal to, students see carefully, very important question this is. So putting the value, so V is equal to what? 1 upon 3 pi. So when you multiply them, then what we get? 2H square capital R minus H cube. Differentiating, because capital R is fixed here, it means H is variable here. So differentiating with respect to H. Differentiating with respect to H, we get what we get? dV by dH, dV by d small h, 1 upon 3 pi is constant. Already you know that student, differentiation of x square is 2x, so that differentiation of h square is what? 4h. So 2 to ja 4hr minus 3h square. This is the differentiation. And for maxima minima, dV by dH is equal to 0. We get a critical point, student. So we get a critical point. What is the critical point? 1 upon 3 pi 4 HR minus 3h square is equal to 0. 1 upon 3 pi dissolve in 0. Then what we get? 4HR minus 3h square is equal to 0. It means what? It means 4HR is equal to 3h square. It means 1h is cancelled. What? H is equal to 4R by 3. This is the value of H in the term of fixed constant radius R. So the value of R is what? 2HR minus H square is equal to R square, and the value of H is this. So again differentiating Equation number third, again differentiating, equation 3 with respect to h, we get what we get, d square v upon dh square is equal to 1 upon 3 pi, and the differentiation of h is 1, so that what, 4r and 3 to the 6, तो minus 6h, and putting the value of h, what, d square v upon dh square at h is equal to 4r by 3. 4r by 3, this is the value, 2hr minus h square is equal to r square, and h is equal to 4r by 3. What we get? Putting the value, it means d square v upon dh square at h is equal to 4r by 3, it means 1 upon 3 pi, and 4r minus 6, or this is what, 4r by 3, 3 to the 6, it means 1 upon 3 pi, and 4r minus what, 8r, it means minus 1 upon 3 pi into 4r. Pi is constant here, r is constant here, this is negative. Negative means what? Volume of cone is largest or maximum, which is negative, so that negative means greater than 0, so that function is what? Function is maximum, and the volume of cone is largest. After that, putting the value of small r square and h in equation first. So then after putting the value of r square and h in equation first, we get, what is the equation first, student? V is equal to volume of cone, V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. It means what? Volume of cone B 1 upon 3 pi, and the value of r square is equal to what? 2h r माइनस h स्क्वायर. तो आप जो है वैल्यू पुट कर दो तो r के फॉर्म में, तो r के फॉर्म में यहाँ पर वैल्यू आपको मिल जाएगी क्या? यहीं पे हम लोग सॉल्व कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. देखिए यहां से हो जाएगा 2 into 4r by 3 r into r minus 4r by 3 to the whole square is equal to r square. तो ये क्या हो गया स्टूडेंट? 8r square by 3 minus 16r square by 9. is equal to r square. Taking the LCM, h is equal to 4r by 3. Taking the LCM, what we get? 9 is the LCM, 3 3 is 9, and 24r square. Minus 16r square is equal to r square, means what? 8r square by 9 is the value of small r square. This is the value of small r square. Put them. What? 8r square by 9, and the value of h is 4r by 3. So what we get? V is equal to what? 8 and 9 3 is 27 into pi into 1 upon 3, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Already student, you know that 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. So you can write volume of cone is equal to 8 upon 27 into volume of sphere. यही स्टूडेंट हमको प्रूफ करना था कि inscribed in a sphere of radius are 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere, means volume of cone is equal to 8 upon 27 into volume of the sphere, hence proof. तो फर्स्टली हमने क्या किया स्टूडेंट? फर्स्टली हमने एक स्फीयर ड्रा किया, इंस्क्राइब्ड, इसके अंदर जो है एक कोन ड्रा किया। कोन ड्रा करने के बाद इसके हमने वॉल्यूम को मैक्सिमाइज किया, और मैक्सिमाइज करने के बाद आफ्टर दैट वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन इज इक्वल टू 8 by 27 into वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।